Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll show you how you can access the hidden infrared camera on your POCO F1. By the way, link for this case and the wallpapers that I use are in the description. Now with that said, here's a quick intro. Now this phone has a dual camera setup on the front. On the right side it has the primary front facing camera, and this is how it looks like. So let me just block the front camera so you can clearly know which one it is. So on the right side you have the primary front facing camera, and on the left side it has the secondary camera that's used along with the infrared sensor to unlock your phone quickly even in low lighting conditions. So to access this camera or to see the infrared image from this camera, this is what you need to do. First you need to open the Play Store and install an application called MIUI Settings. So this is the Play Store. You can simply search for MIUI Hidden Settings and you'll get this application. Just install it and open it up. If it asks for any permissions, just grant them. Now from here, select the 29th option, just scroll and we have the camera front. Now this is the infrared preview. So let me just turn off all the lights in the room and you'll still be able to see something interesting with this camera. So it's pitch black, there isn't anything going on, there is no lights, and this is how it looks from the front facing camera. So as you can see, here's a small preview of my face. That's because of the camera display. Now this is the infrared camera. Right now we can't take any pictures using this application. We do get a button over here to take a picture, but once you click it, application simply crashes. So instead you can take a screenshot using these buttons. That's volume down and power button. Just press and hold. It'll take a screenshot and you can crop it and you get an infrared image. Or else we can also do the 3-finger gesture like that and your phone takes a screenshot. Now once you do that, you can simply crop it to get an image from the infrared camera. Now this is pretty much useless at this point, but if you really want to take a picture in complete low lighting condition, then this might be helpful. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want me to make any specific video, tweet out to me with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.